Hi, my name is Hannah Brinkley and I work for the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission. We, in conjunction with Hernando Audubon and Citrus Audubon Society, are hosting our first annual Welcome Back Songbirds Festival at Chinsegut Conservation Center. The festivities kick off on the evening of Friday, March 20th, 2026, with a guided bird walk followed by a keynote presentation featuring Audubon of Florida Director Julie Rathmel. Then, on Saturday, March 21st, we are hosting a variety of family-friendly activities, including guided bird walks, engaging talks, hands-on workshops, fun activities for kids, and art for everyone.
I'm Tom St. Clair. I'm president of Hernando Audubon, and we're excited to be teaming with Citrus County Audubon and with the staff at Chinsegut Conservation Center and the Florida Adventure Coast Visitors Bureau to bring to Brooksville this first annual Welcome Back Songbirds Festival. We have a very exciting agenda. We're going to have a number of exercises for the entire family. We're going to have building bluebird nest boxes. We're going to be able to build bird feeders using pine cones and bird seed and peanut butter. We're also going to be talking about the different types of bird feeders that you can use to attract birds to your backyard. We have a number of outings planned, and one of the aspects of this is that we invite visitors to come to Chinsegut and some of the outlying areas to see our red-headed woodpecker population within the sandhill habitat that we have here at Chinsegut.
Hi, I'm Molly Gurian, and I am president of Citrus County Audubon Society, and I'm really excited to partner with Hernando Audubon and Chinsegut Nature Center for the Welcome Back Songbird Festival. And I'm especially excited that we are highlighting the Nature Coast and what it provides for all of our migrating songbirds and other birds and the habitat that we have here. So we have some really great programs and field trips scheduled for folks to come out. We're going to be doing several field trips in both Hernando and Citrus County. And we're going to be doing nature walks here at Chinsegut. We have lots of partners coming so that you can learn about all of the opportunities to explore nature and birds in the Nature Coast. So we'll also have food trucks available because we'll be here from about 9 to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll have refreshments for you. And in the afternoon, we're going to be taking a field trip up to Citrus County so that we can show you what we have to offer up there. And if you're interested in Citrus County Audubon, you can visit us at our website. One of our exhibitors is Peter Gerbert, who is a well-known Florida wildlife artist. And he has also donated one of his pieces of art to Citrus County Audubon to serve as our pileated woodpecker logo, which is another very common woodpecker in Citrus and Hernando counties.
Follow us on social media for more information on this incredible free event. We look forward to seeing you here.